Team all kinds of muscle.
Anybody else hungry right now?
You hungry?
But every time I look up, y'all making eye contact with me.
Stop looking at me, Swan.
See what you did?
What? You said you want more?
You want some more?
Come on, kid.
You ain't get that.
Don't let me. You just put it on his lip. Like that.
Y'all know I ain't seen
Who you rolling with?
So I don't like walking around like that. Do y'all feel like y'all being recorded?
Nah, definitely not at all.
Y'all feel like y'all being recorded or something? What? Do y'all feel?
Let's see this.
Oh no, it's only 5%. They gonna think I'm a loser.
You think I'm a loser?
No.
We got some Jameson in the truck.
Raise that hand real quick.
We got.
We're talking about that right
you can't
there.
put that on the video. You can. All right, we got the reveal. We got the Nike Bayou reveal. What we got up in here, niece?
Custom made.
Ooh,
All kinds of muscle
with
colors.
the color, baby. Y'all see them all kinds of muscle colors. Got my boy TK out here. Came to hang out with us. Yeah, baby.
Came out from Fort Lauderdale.
Hey, you already know what time it is. Big Z,
Hey,
little bitty Cab.
little bit
No, I'm just playing. Like.
Representing Rig Boost today.
Yo, I gotta give a quick shout out to my sister Rachel real quick. Rig Boost.
Check it out. We are about 15 minutes away from Gainsville Raceway.
With the dance that you do.
Team A.K.O.M, get yourself some. Left lane. He's boosting the turbo now. You seen what it was? Oh my God. Yeah, left lane.